Hello guys, in today's video we're going to be playing a game called The Train Experience, and it's a horror game, and I've never posted a horror game on my channel, so we're going to try it out. Okay? So yeah, let's go. So we'll just join. Well, we'll join the one person one, because that's epic. Yeah, there's a train right here. Duh, I mean it's called The Train Experience. Why wouldn't there be a train? Two, one, come on. Alright. Alright, we are in. Train horn. I unlock my cursor. Ooh, I have a flashlight. I love horror games where they have a flashlight. Ooh, I like the camera movement with it too.
All aboard the VIP Express.
Look. These are YouTubers. Cool. Alright, let's explore.
We should be getting to our stop shortly.
Let's explore around the train. I love how there's just a gun in this train.
Tonight, I need you to take charge of the dining.
Bananas on the floor. There's just an assault rifle in here. A hammer. Objective, take orders in the dining cart. Okay, I'll do that, but hold on, I'm just exploring. Oh, that's locked. Anything outside? Oh, look. Okay. What's up? What you want? Hey, what would you like to eat?
1 mega burger, please.
Okay. It's like a Big Mac. Mega. What is that? I have no idea. Coming right up. Okay. Grab patty. Oh. It's in the kitchen. Duh, I mean. Where else would it be? Okay, grab patty. Gimme. Cook patty. I'm just doing this all with a flashlight in my hand. Okay, grab cooked patty. I just grab it with my bare hands, like the thing's burning. And just grab it off the stove with my bare hands. Okay, now add toppings. Boom, mega burger. Can I just eat this? Here's your burger. Eat it up. Don't waste it. Here, out the window.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Nothing out there. Oh, what? What the? What? What was that? Oh. What the? Where'd everybody go? Oh. Somebody spilled their Kool-Aid while they were walking out. What's that? Oh. Okay. Okay, I don't want this. Reset lights. Boop.
Is everything okay back there?
How do you know I'm back here? Where are you? I think I saw something on the floors. I can't tell. It was too dark.
I'm sure it ain't nothing. Get
Oh,
back
if
to
you can
work.
hear my dogs, I'm sorry. They are barking like heck today. What? Different people. Creekcraft. I don't know who these guys are. Oh wait, no, that wasn't different people. I was just in a different room. Oh, hey, hey, what would you like to eat? Oh, we're just serving this one customer. Well, I guess because he's the only
1
one
mega
with that
turkey,
food.
please.
1 mega turkey? Why does everything have to be mega? got you, man. Okay, I guess let's go find out how to make a mega turkey. Okay. Get in the fridge. Oh, place turkey. Oh, stop it! I don't want to buy that. Boop. Okay. Cooked turkey. Boop. Mega turkey. And here you go. Here's your 5-star meal.
Looks great.
Still nothing outside. Oh. Okay, put the dirty dishes in the sink. So how do they even get off the train? Okay, those dishes were nasty. Didn't look that nasty, but
We're about to halt at the station.
who is that? Well, this guy's he's just running. He's just riding on the front of the train. Well, you just see the ground's not moving. Here we go. That didn't sound good.
The brakes failed.
The brakes failed.
This isn't good.
Yeah, it probably isn't. Why is he just riding on the front of it? Call boss for help. Where's the boss? Boss! Oh, there it is. I see the red thing. Still nothing. No jump scares so far. That's good. Call boss. Oh, it's
Hey,
just an RPG
I heard about the
just
brakes.
laying on the table.
I wish you the best of luck. I tried calling people to help.
Okay.
No one picked up. We could die.
Great.
Don't worry about it. Just
Oh,
tell
yeah.
the people it's just a delay.
Yeah, just don't worry about death. Night 2. Murder on the rails. That sounds charming. Okay, so it's 48 hours of these rails. What, 2 days? Inform the passengers. Man's just watching a wall. Hey, we're gonna die. Hey, we're gonna die.
Late by a couple days.
Hey, did you know?
Really?
Fun fact, we're gonna
Late by a
die.
couple days.
Ooh,
Really?
you Santa
Late
Claus?
by a
I don't
couple
know.
days. Really?
We're dead.
Late
Sir,
by
why do you
a
have an...
couple days.
I'm not even
Really?
gonna ask.
Late by
Yeah.
a couple days. Really? Late by a couple days. Really? Late by a couple days.
God, I hate that sound.
Really? Late by a couple days. Really?
Hey, you disgusting blob creature.
Really?
Oh my gosh, this guy could probably just
Really?
destroy whatever's stopping the brakes. Jeez, are you the Terminator?
Late by a couple days. Really?
Who eats a cheeseburger with a fork? This guy's eating a hot dog with a fork. That shouldn't help these people. Okay. Hey, we're all gonna die.
Late by a couple days. Really?
Hey,
Good
Late
work.
by a couple days.
thanks.
Really?
Ooh.
Now that all these people are fooled,
Fooled?
we won't get sued.
Oh, yay, we won't get sued. You're more worried about getting sued than dying?
Today, I need you to take care of the front desk.
Okay, Mr. Boss Man.
You got this. I'll check up with you later.
Man, if we're gonna die anyways, might as well just tell them the truth. Can I go in here? No. Can I go in this one? No. It's just a pistol right here. Yep, just a giant hammer. Rocket launcher here. I don't even need to worry about this guy. We can just... Hold up. Oh my gosh, dude, it's so cold out in my garage, dude. Out in this garage, bro. It's freezing. Okay, hey.
Can I get room 1, please?
Oh god, where'd you come from? How'd you get on the train? Yeah, sure. I'm trying. Okay. Here's room 1. There.
Thank you.
Why did they just disappear? How did they even get on the train? Like the train.
Can I get room 2, please?
Dude. Okay, hold on. Is the train moving? Yeah, the train's moving. Maybe they just instant transmissioned here. Instant
Thanks.
transmit. I don't know. Stop. How do you... What the... Was that a scream or was that a... I don't know. I can't even tell what that was. Say, whoa! Hey, how about we just be stupid and go investigate it?
You.
Who are you? Get away from me. I'm not letting you anywhere near my children. Who are you? You don't want to see me when
I'm here to make history. I made those brakes fail.
Yup, I
We're
knew
all
it.
going to crash.
I saw you. I know. I used
So enjoy the ride.
invisible
We're not stopping
slashy
anytime
invisible
soon.
to go fly out there and look at you. Okay,
My plan is just getting started.
cool. Just grab the RPG, bro. Yeah. Why can't I just grab this? Of course, I have to pay money to grab stuff now. Who was that guy? We need the SWAT ASAP. How are they gonna get on a train that's moving like 1,000 miles per hour? Call the SWAT. There, I called them.
No one is helping you.
Hey, you're not the SWAT.
I told you to sit back, have fun. We're all
No.
gonna crash.
Yup, we are. Night 3, race against time. Yeah, sure. How about we just race against time? This is really bad. Okay. Is this killer on board? What do you mean is this killer on board? Yes, he is. You just saw him on here. I should search for evidence? Are you... Do you forget stuff really well? Because, I mean, like, he was on here just not 5 seconds ago. You're like, oh, I need evidence. I don't remember him being on here. Where is it? Oh, of course, it's all the way down here. Okay, yeah, I don't even need the flashlight, to be honest. Okay, get that. Oh, boy, a note. What does it say? I can travel around the world while staying in one spot. I'm long and I'm fast, and I never will stop. My passengers panic when I'm out of control, but when I stay on my tracks, I'm good for the soul. Okay. Here. How about you read this? Read it. Oh, shove this in your
I
face.
never heard that riddle before.
Of course you haven't. Here, Albert, read this.
No, I never heard that riddle before.
Does everybody sound the same?
No, I never heard that riddle before.
Here. Have this.
I've heard that phrase
I never
before.
heard that
Huh?
riddle before.
I don't remember ever talking to you. What the?
I used to work as a police officer.
What?
We've locked up a criminal
Just a
mastermind
floating
who used
flashlight.
riddles like that.
Oh, the note.
He's called the Riddler.
The
Riddle
Riddler?
says,
What? Isn't that like a guy from Avengers?
or on
don't
path
know.
to crash into an orphanage.
Batman guy? What? An orphanage? Why does it have to be an orphanage we're gonna crash into? Yeah, we're gonna kill thousands of babies. Oh great, we're not gonna only crash. It's gonna be into an orphanage. How do you know? Huh? Tell me. How do you know? You've been sitting here the whole time. I need to catch this guy. What? It's not gonna do any good. He's like the train's still moving. The thing's still broken. We already confronted the passengers about the note, but okay.
I have never seen that note in my life.
Here.
I
Boop.
have never seen that note in my life.
Hey. Note.
I have never seen that note in my life.
Hey. Note.
I have never seen that note in my life.
Hey, do you know about this note? Do you?
I have never seen that note in my life.
Nope. They don't. Oh my gosh, bro. Who did that? This couldn't get any worse. Whoa, who are you doing? Ruby? Dead passenger. What? Excuse me? It's got a badge. It's a dead passenger. Whoa. Oh. Hey.
I got you right where I
Oh,
want
hey. Hey, Spider-Man.
you. Better start running.
Okay. I will gladly let me run. Hey. Let me run. Go, 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 go. What are these white lines? He was right behind me. What is his problem with me? Can I like sprint? Was I just okay? How am I supposed to run away from him? Kill rats. They just violently just stomp on their their corpses. Stop. They were humbled to. Stop. They're figuring out a way to make me not be able to kill them. They combine together, so I can't kill them. Nasty. I got a badge that says rats. We need serious help. Okay. Night 4. The final showdown. Time is running out. We need to get this guy. Wait, this is night 4, right? Didn't we only have 48 hours until this thing crashed? It's been way more than 2 days. I should investigate the corpse again. Why? You already know what it looks like. Just go look at somebody's dead body. Hey. Oh my god, I have a knife. Yes, I could use this knife to kill him. Yes. Oh my gosh, I can throw it. What suitcase? 1v1 me, boy. Where are you? What luggage? Oh. I don't even see the luggage anywhere. Okay. Give me this. Okay. This. What was that? Train. Be quiet. Okay. Mask. Aha, I have your mask. I don't know. What the heck is going on?
The Riddler broke out of jail 4 days ago.
Okay.
This man is powerful. He is known for his tricks.
Raggy.
He can cut phone calls, make people vanish, and cut power with his mind.
Oh my gosh, all those people that are vanishing. All those people that were just
He's
teleporting.
pure evil.
He did that.
If you see him, report him at the station. Thanks.
Yeah, I would love to. But, I'm about to 1v1 him. We're doomed? No, we ain't. Yeah, did you forget you have a knife? Like, yeah. We're gonna have to kill this guy ourselves. Where are you at? Investigate the bedrooms. Yes. Duo knife. Master detective. God, that scared me. I know his identity. This is the guy that asked for room 2. Need to tell the passengers hi. Oh boy. It's like the final 1v1. Hide. Hide.
Oh my god. Okay, oh my god.
Hide.
I will. Killer.
Hide. Right now.
Okay, oh my god. Okay, I will. Oh my god. Okay, I will.
Okay, check. Okay, nobody. Oh, stop. I don't want an assault rifle.
Hide. Hide. Oh my god. Okay, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hide.
I will. Killer.
Hide.
Oh my god. Okay, I will. Hide. Oh my god. Killer. I will. Oh my god. Hide. Okay.
Hide.
Killer.
I'm gonna get him. Where are you at?
Okay, I will.
Alright. Yes, just keep hiding in there. He's here.
Your
Alright.
time is up.
No. Haha.
We crash in 1 minute.
Alright, bet. Let's fight it out then.
Look behind you.
No.
Think fast.
How about you think fast?
Help me. You put me in this suit. He's tricking you.
Oh gosh. I don't know.
I'm not the real killer. He's using me to trick you. This was me on board. I'm a normal guy.
I knew it was him.
This is him on board. He's the real Riddler.
I don't know, bro.
Please kill him.
Seems pretty suspicious.
You will never know who is the real one.
Yes, I will. I can tell by your voice. No human ever has that. I will once. I will. Once I kill one of you. This one. I feel like it has to be. Like, I mean. I will kill you. Die. Die. What? What? Oh my god. Well, we died though. Well, hey guys, stop, stupid. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.